Welcome to the PluTech channel. Today we have a topic to discuss about France's secret cybercrime law that attacked Durov, creator of Telegram. Don't miss the chance to join us and share your opinions with us. When French prosecutors decided to go after Telegram founder Pavel Durov, they had a powerful tool in their hands. A tough new law with no international precedent that criminalizes tech executives whose platforms facilitate illegal activities or transactions. The law, known as LOTME, was signed into law in January 2023, putting France at the forefront of a global movement to combat online crime. However, the legislation is so new that there have yet to be any effective convictions under its terms. France's pioneering move to hold leaders of major platforms like Durov accountable has yet to be proven in court. If French courts are unwilling to punish these executives, the effort could fail, opening the door to criticism of the law's effectiveness. Last month, a French judge placed Durov under formal investigation, accusing him of complicity in running a platform used to facilitate illicit transactions in an organized criminal network, a crime that carries a penalty of up to 10 years in prison and a fine of €500,000, roughly $556,300. Despite the seriousness of the allegations, being under formal investigation does not mean that Durov will automatically be tried or found guilty. The process indicates that judges believe there is sufficient evidence to continue investigating, although the investigation could take years to complete, resulting in a trial or dismissal of the case. Durov, who denies the charges and is free on bail, says that Telegram is not a haven of anarchy. The company maintains that it operates in compliance with European Union law and dismisses the idea that a platform or its owner should be held liable for misuse by third parties as absurd. Last week, Paris prosecutor Laure Becqueux highlighted the 2023 law as a key tool to tackle criminal groups that have moved their activities online. The legislation stands out for its uniqueness. Experts and lawyers consulted by Reuters said they were unaware of any similar statute in other countries. Adam Hickey, a former U.S. Deputy Assistant Attorney General, also confirmed that there is no direct equivalent in the United States or the Western world. According to Hickey, prosecutors in the U.S. could charge a tech executive with aiding or abetting crimes committed by users of the platform, but only if there is clear evidence that the operator intended for those crimes to occur and actively facilitated them. He compared the situation to the case of Ross Ulbricht, the creator of Silk Road, who was convicted in 2015 of knowingly operating an online criminal marketplace. Ulbricht was sentenced to life in prison, but the charge was based on the fact that he intentionally facilitated illegal activity on his platform. Timothy Howard, a former federal prosecutor who worked on the Ulbricht case, expressed skepticism that Durov could be convicted in the U.S. unless there was clear evidence that he knew about and actively facilitated the crimes committed on Telegram. Given the platform's vast number of users, most of whom act within the law, Howard called the French law an aggressive approach compared to the U.S. legal system. Michel Segin, a professor of cyber law in France, explained that the tougher legislation was a response to growing discontent among authorities with companies that refused to cooperate, such as Telegram. He stressed that LOTME is not a nuclear weapon, but rather a measure to prevent the French government from feeling powerless when dealing with platforms that do not cooperate in the fight against organized crime. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Your interactions mean a lot to us and help us grow. See you next time.